Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. If you're trying to build or rebuild your credit or just want a solid starter credit card with a long-term value, this video is for you. Today I'm breaking down the Slate Edge credit card by Chase. It is designed specifically for people who are new to credit, rebuilding their score, or looking for a low-risk way to manage credit smartly. I'll walk you through the features, benefits, who's it's for, and a few things you should know before applying, all in plain English. So let's get into it. Also, you can find its link in the description below. So the Slate Edge is a no annual free credit card from Chase. Unlike premium rewards card, this one isn't about points or travel perks. It is designed to help you save money on interest and build healthy credit habits. It comes with a 0% introductory APR on both purchases and balance transfers for 18 months. That means if you carry a balance, you won't be charged any interest during that time. Once the intro period ends, the variable APR ranges from 18.99% to 28.99%, depending on your credit profile. Just note that balance transfers come with a fee, so check the terms for those details. Also, you're only eligible if you haven't had this card or its sign up bonus in the past 24 months. If you want to access this platform, you just have to simply go and search for Chase credit card, or you can also search for the Slate Edge credit card. You will get onto its website and then you can just simply explore this website. There are different options like its rewards and benefits, its additional benefits, and other stuff, so you can get the idea. So let's walk through the main benefits and how they help with credit building. First, they have no annual fee, so there's no yearly charges to keep the card open. That means you can maintain a long credit history without paying just to have the card, which helps your credit score over time. Also, 0% intro APR for 18 months. That means you will get a full 18 months of no interest on purchases and balance transfers. That's great if you're managing bit expensive or consolidating existing debt. But remember, interest kicks in after that, so use that period wisely. And then we have the APR reduction opportunity. Here's something unique: you could lower your interest rate by 2% each year. To qualify, just pay on time and spend at least $1,000 by your next account anniversary. You will be considered automatically. This continues annually until your APR reaches a lower limit, which depends on the prime rate. It's a long term benefit that rewards consistently. Other than this, we have the automatic credit limit review. When you spend $500 within your first 6 months and make all your payments on time, you'll automatically be reviewed for a credit limit increase. A higher limit helps your credit utilization ratio, which is a major factor in your credit score. Then there is the Chase Credit Journey, which is a free credit monitoring. In this Chase credit journey, you get free access to your credit score and credit monitoring alerts. This helps you track your progress and stay on top of any sudden changes to your credit profile. It's a useful tool for anyone actively trying to improve their score. Also, if you're wondering how this card helps you build your credit, then I'll tell you how it could be possible. The number one is the payment history. It is the number one factor in your credit score. Making on time payments with Slate Edge helps build a positive track record. And credit utilization matters too. The lower your balance compared to your limit, the better. With a potential limit increase after 6 months, you'll likely improve that ratio. And length of credit history, it improves the longer you keep the card open, and since there's no annual fee, so there is no reason to close it. And of course, credit mix and new credit are also part of the equation. Adding this card helps round out your profile if you don't have much credit yet. If we discuss the downsides, then we have the no cash or no rewards, and the variable APR after 18 months can be higher. Also, the APR reduction and credit limit increases are not guaranteed, and balance transfer fee also applies. So, the actual question is, the Slate Edge worth trying or not? So, if your goal is to build or rebuild credit while keeping costs low and having access to tools like free credit monitoring and interest rate reduction, then yes, this card does the job well. It's a credit building card, not a reward card. And if you treat it that way, it can be a powerful stepping stone to better financial health. So this was all about the Slate Edge credit building card. If this review helped, be sure to like the video, subscribe and leave your questions in the comment. I would love to help you on your credit card journey. Thank you for watching.